Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 17. This is Section 2.3, Problem 17. It says determine if the fractions are equivalent. And we have 2/5 and 7/10. So you could either reduce both fractions as far as they'll go and see if they're the same, or you can multiply the numerator of one fraction times the denominator of the other fraction. So if I do that, going one way, I'll do 2 times 10, which is 20. And going the other way, 5 times 7, which is 35. Now, 35 is certainly not equal to 20, so these fractions are not equivalent.